السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to Operation Management. I'm Iman Hassanin Taha, Assistant Lecturer at Faculty of Commerce Business Administration Department, English section. And this section is based on material taken from the textbook under the supervisor of Dr. Ammar Fathi Musa, Assistant Professor of Business Administration and College Vice Dean for Environmental Affairs. Today, inshallah, we will start with the first chapter of this course, and the title of this chapter is Operation and Productivity. Then when you complete this section, you will be able to define the operation management and explain the importance of operation management. We will take today in this section true or false question only. So let's get started. First question is operation management is a set of activities that create value in the form of goods and service by transforming input into output. So the answer is true. We can say also that production and operation management can also be defined as ongoing management activity based on transformation of certain outputs from certain inputs for other material and production factors through specific technical operation into greater value of outputs. So this answer is true. Number two, all organizations including service firms such as banks and hospitals have a production function. The answer also is true. We can say here that operation are the product of factor of production, and the factor of production like land, work, capital, and the regulator, and using these factors we can produce a good or provide a service in which there is a real effect demand. For example, if you look at the office in which your lessons are recalled, for example, you find that it consists of food produced by the earth, and then carpentry worker cut, steels, polish. So the organization like banks and hospital also provide us a service. So this answer is true. Number three, in the definition of production and operation management, focus on the element of administrative process of planning and controlling only, as production management and operation as an area of application of the administrative process. So the answer is false. Let's talk here about the correlation between the production function and other process and function in the organization, such as marketing, finance, human resource, procurement, and storage, and other. In the definition of production and operation management, focus on the elements of administration process, which are planning, organizing, direction, and controlling, as a production management, and operation as an area of application of the administrative process. So we can say here, that the administrative process of planning and controlling only. No, this is the wrong answer. The right answer is planning, organizing, and directing, controlling as a production management operation. Number four, production and operation management can be defined as the process of creating goods and services needed by society so that they have formal, spiritual, and temporal value, and so that is done with the lowest degree of efficiency and effectiveness. The answer is for sure is false. We can say that this must be done with the highest degree of efficiency and effectiveness. Efficiency indicates the extent to which resources are exploited, and effectiveness indicates the extent to which goals have been achieved. So the answer is wrong. It's done with the highest degree of efficiency and effectiveness. So number five, one reason to study operation management is to learn how people organize themselves for productive enterprise. The answer is for sure is true. Let's say that operation management is one of the three major functions of any organization, and it is integrally related to all other business functions. All organizations market like sell, finance like accounting, and produce like operating, and it's important to know how the operation management activity functions. Therefore, we study how people organize themselves for proactive enterprise. And also we study OM because we wanted to know how goods and services are produced. The production function is a segment of our society that creates the products and service. Let's go for number 6. The study of financing lead to develop the theoretical framework for analyzing the type of problem and decision faced by production and process management. The answer is false. The study of financing doesn't lead to develop the theoretical framework for analyzing this type of problem and decision. So the study of production and process lead to a comprehensive understanding of the function of the department, which helps to develop the theoretical framework for analyzing the type of problem and decision faced by production and management and process management. So the answer is wrong. The study of production and process, not the study of financing. And now number 7. Pricing is an element of management process. The answer is for sure wrong, because when we say management, so management, it means a group of individuals who work together and using the resources of capabilities available to them to achieve particular goal by performing a range of administrative functions such as not pricing, such as planning, organizing, guidance, and oversight. So the pricing is not one of the elements of management process.